Let's go, Akronites strong for better horse care.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! This is our third engagement. Our third engagement with the Budweiser truck and the iconic Clydesdales.
And it won't be the last.
And it's a gimmick that has gone on for 90 years. 90 years of horses deprived of their tails by Budweiser.
And they still haven't learned.
But Ellie, you have learned from your many years as an animal advocate, the tails can be braided.
Absolutely.
It doesn't have to be this accident waiting to happen. And why is it a foregone conclusion that the horse is gonna lose its tail in some terrible accident? So they remove it ahead of time when they're a little baby, before they even get to experience life with their tail. It is robbed from them by Budweiser.
It's dissonance. They know it's wrong, but they do it anyway.
That's why we're here, law-abiding protesters here on the sidewalk, chanting, "Do better, Bud. Do 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 better, Bud. Bud, do better. Bud, do better. Bud, do better. Bud, do better." Horses benefit from having their tails throughout the course of their life. It is their first line of defense to swat at biting and disease-carrying insects. It is part of their balance and part of their communication, their cherished communication of how they've bonded with their family bands throughout the years and throughout the generations.
I wish you'd just get fed up and say, I've had enough.
Look at this, and everybody's kissing butt on Budweiser, helping Budweiser market their crummy beer. Crummy beer, bad beer. Okay, we're still rolling. Do you want me to say the flyer next? I'll read the flyer next. Okay. Drink wiser. Boycott Budweiser for cutting off the horses' tails. Join PETA.org/tailgate. Demand Anheuser-Busch stop amputating the Budweiser Clydesdales tailbones today. Text BUD to 73822. PETA always has these.
I didn't know that was on there.
Yeah. What you can do right away.
Oh, I see.
We are reading straight from the undercover investigation report.
Budweiser, the king of tears.
It does say that on this flyer. Heartlessly amputating the Clydesdales tailbones for 90 years. Generations of horses deprived of their tails. PETA's undercover investigators have confirmed that Anheuser-Busch cruelly amputates the tailbones of the famed Clydesdales, just so they look a certain way as they pull a beer wagon and stand in your photos. When the Clydesdales are still just baby foals, the bones of their tails, which is part of their spine, are cruelly partially or completely severed, either with a scalpel or by putting a band around the tail to stop the blood flow until the tail falls off.
That's animal abuse. You're animal abusers.
Amputating a horse's tail is so cruel that it is prohibited in 10 states unless medically necessary, and 10 European countries have decided to stand with the American Veterinary Medical Association and the American Association of Equine Practitioners to oppose tailbone amputation.
I've had 3 spinal surgeries, and I can attest that